I don't wanna ever go. There's pretty killers over there on the low. They're tryna make me change the way I see the world. Tryna pull me under, tryna make me switch up. I'm tryna paint the picture, so hear me out. I hate the way the issues turn up unannounced. Always bringing drama without a doubt. I can't even hold back, got me in my feelings. I wear them on my wrist. Got a lot of venom in my veins. Got a lot of ice inside my bones. But baby, you should know I wasn't always this way. Villains are made but never born. So we date and we touch and we fuck and we kiss, but you run away when I ask what this is. Cause you don't wanna get emotional. You should know, people like me, we don't like that. When you give false hope, and if you like me, and I like you back. I wanna know, people like me, we don't like that. When you give false hope, and if you bite me, I'm gonna bite back. I'm gonna bite back, I'm gonna bite back, yeah. I'm gonna say no plans. I'm gonna say no plans. I'm gonna say nope. I don't remember any of their names, but I got a lot of numbers in my phone. Baby, you should know I'll always run away. I never stay. Villains are better off alone. So we date and we touch and we fuck and we kiss, but I run away when you ask what this is. I don't wanna get emotional, and so it goes. People like me, we don't like that. When you give false hope, and if you like me, and I like you back. I wanna know, people like me, we don't like that. When you give false hope, and if you bite me, I'm gonna bite back. I'm gonna bite back, I'm gonna bite back, yeah. I'm gonna say no plans. I'm gonna say no plans. I'm gonna say nope. Didn't wanna hurt you, leave you and desert you, but you can't be the one to let me go. Now I've gotta hurt you, it's my lesson learned too. I never needed a hero.
Good morning. So I ordered for a kind of like a dining set from Gigi and texted him, told him I wanted to get a table and chair. It was actually pay on delivery. That's like the short and long story. Yeah, my sister is going to try to unbox it now. Pass me one of those stuff. One of those. I think that's like the cushion. So we have 4, Abby. 4. Okay, then open this. That should be like the next.
Find me dancing on my own to the sound of a God-shaped drum. My ribcage is a heartless kid. I'm gonna say no, and I have learned to walk the world alone. Cause I'm more cool and cold. I'll never change, so I'm gonna say
So it's 2 for 1 tissue. Yeah, perfect.
I don't wanna ever go. There's pretty killers over there on the low. They're tryna make me change the way I see the world. Tryna pull me under, tryna make me switch up. I'm tryna paint the picture, so hear me out. I hate the way the issues turn up unannounced. Always bringing drama without a doubt. I can't even hold back, got me in my feelings. I wear them on my wrist. I wish it could be my oasis, but you're always acting wasted. And to think we almost dated, that was crazy.
After like 5 hours, we've been able to assemble the chair. Now we are left with the table. So hopefully this is not going to stress the hell out of us. So let's just see how it goes with this table. More high. Yeah, checking. But I think we are going to have to attach those ones first. Those little rows. We are literally struggling to put this thing together. Okay, put it. So that will stay there. Where did you see the picture? They are not equal. They are equal. Why not put it inside down? The screw you're saying. Push the screw to the back. Guys, it took us at least 20 years to be able to fix this thing. Thank God we had this spanner from the generator. It was so stressful. But yeah, we are done and everything looks good. Okay. Yowa. This is what the table looks like. So this is what the table looks like. I have a video that I want to publish now. So let me get my laptop.
If spring is the season that wakes me alive, then fall is the season to contemplate life. Oh, yeah. I don't know what is it exactly in this time of year that makes the melancholy me reappear. Oh, yeah. Back and forth through dark roast coffee, salt, mist, and sea, sand and amber trees. 'Cause it still feels like summer, but it's soaked in nostalgia slowly. All the leaves.
Guys, we just got back from like a trip and everyone's still messy. So they just brought my fridge. I don't know. I'll just show you from here. But I don't want to go downstairs, so they'll bring it. Okay, that's it. Can you will the two of you be able to carry it? Ṣé ẹ méjèèjì máa lè dàgbé báyìí? Báwo la wá fẹ́ ṣe? So this is the fridge. We are trying to bring it upstairs. I don't even know how we are going to carry it.
When they start, they all believe in God. It's truly a delight, Mr. Right. Oh, close the windows, lock the door. It's late at night and I hear footsteps on the floor. Blood is freezing in my lips. Well, is it real or is it just October things? Maybe I've been watching too much TV. Maybe I should let him have privacy. Or maybe I'm the only one who can see our streets. The scene of
So they finally brought the fridge, and this one looks nice. Can you see that this place is like the perfect spot for it? Okay, because I wanted it to open up like this. Yep. And it has a bottom refrigerator, freezer, happy everything in color. Yeah, so the extension would come in here. I'm currently using the, what's that thing called? Power surge. What's that thing called? Fridge guard. I'm using it for the TV, so I would have to get another one for the TV because this has to like work tomorrow. This has to work tomorrow. So yeah, this is it. 205 liters. We have, this is not ice maker. This one are for ego. Oh, this is what we have for the ice maker. It's still bigger than that Tamoku. Yeah, basically. So we have to leave it for 4 hours before we can do anything, so that the gas can settle. Okay. Hey guys, so it's been past 4 hours now. My voice is really cranky because I just woke up, but yeah, this is what we have. I have to remove all this stuff in here. I just felt like I didn't even check the previous video, but I was so sleepy and I didn't check it. So I feel like this is going to do justice to the refrigerator. This is Hisense 205 liters and it is taller than I am. Yeah, quite taller than I am. So I'm just going to turn it on and let it do its magic.
¿Cuánto tiempo tengo sin verte? En verdad no quiero creerte. Cuando te fuiste